Eggs are one of the most common foods in our breakfasts. We know them, we love them, and as we age, we often eat them even more. Rich in proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats, they nourish both our body and our mind. But behind their simple appearance lies a reality that few people really know. In particular, after the age of 60, these eggs can become silent enemies. Not because of their natural composition, but because of small mistakes we make every day when cooking them, combining them with other foods, or even storing them. And these mistakes, though discreet, can have a powerful impact on your overall health. They can disrupt your cholesterol, inflame your joints, drain your energy, and cloud your mental clarity. But the good news is that all these mistakes can be identified, understood, and corrected with simple, effective, and accessible actions. So if you're one of those who start the morning with an egg on the plate, you'll want to listen carefully, because what you're going to learn today could truly transform your morning routine and even your quality of life. You may not realize it, but by adjusting just a few small habits, you can turn eggs into a major nutritional weapon for your brain, your heart, and your vitality. A medium-sized egg contains about 6 g of high-quality protein, which is essential for preserving your muscle mass as you age. It also provides the 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. And that's not all. An egg is also one of the best sources of choline, an essential nutrient for your brain and memory. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related decline. And the most surprising thing of all, eggs contain almost no sugar, which makes them a perfect choice for people managing diabetes or prediabetes. So why do so many people over 60 feel fatigue, stiffness, or digestive discomfort after eating eggs? Why do some see their cholesterol rise, their energy drop, or their memory become foggy? The answer is simple. It's not the eggs, it's the way you use them. And this is where 5 major mistakes come in, mistakes that many people make without realizing it. The first mistake, using the wrong cooking oils. Maybe you grab the oil you've always used, sunflower oil, corn oil, or even margarine, but these oils are too high in omega-6. This type of fat, when consumed in excess, triggers silent chronic inflammation. Your body does need omega-6, yes, but in balance with omega-3, which you find in fish, nuts, or flax seeds. Otherwise, the imbalance can inflame your joints, stress your cardiovascular system, and alter your cholesterol. And after 60, your body is already fighting to stay stable. The second mistake, pairing eggs with processed meats. Eggs and bacon, eggs and sausages, eggs and deli ham, a classic. But these meats are full of additives, loaded with nitrates, sodium, and preservatives such as BHA and BHD. These compounds are linked to an increased risk of cancer, notably colorectal cancer, classified by the WHO as a Group 1 carcinogen, the same level as cigarettes. When you combine eggs with this type of meat, you cancel out their benefits and create a combination that destabilizes your blood pressure, burdens your liver, and puts your heart at risk. The third mistake, eating eggs the same way every day.
Tic Sophia, 73.
Every morning, scrambled eggs with white bread. But after 12 months, she began to feel unusual fatigue, recurrent constipation, and her tests showed rising cholesterol. She was lacking B12, folate, and fiber because she wasn't varying her diet. She changed, one day, hard-boiled eggs with berries. The next day, an omelette with green vegetables. On weekends, egg muffins with peppers. She added avocado, chia seeds, and revitalized her digestion. The result, multiplied energy, restored digestion, stabilized cholesterol. Variety is the secret to balanced nutrition. The fourth mistake, storing eggs incorrectly. Maybe you keep them in the fridge door for easy reach. But that area has too much temperature variation, and eggshells are porous. They absorb odors, moisture, and even bacteria like salmonella. A poorly stored egg may look fine but can make you sick. That's what happened to Tom, 65. He left his eggs on the counter for a few hours. The result, cramps, chills, nausea. He learned his lesson. Now his eggs stay in the original carton, at the back of the fridge where it's coldest, and he checks the dates every week. The fifth mistake, overcooking eggs. High heat, crispy eggs, golden edges. You think it's good, but in reality, you destroy nutrients like choline, essential for your brain. You oxidize cholesterol, making it harder for your body to process, and you can produce harmful compounds for your arteries and intestines. That's what Mona, 69, used to do, until she changed her method. Gentle heat, just set whites, runny yolk. And now she feels lighter, clearer, more energized. So there you have it, the 5 mistakes: bad oils, processed meats, repetitive routine, poor storage, and overcooking. But each one can be easily corrected. Use olive oil or ghee. Replace bacon with vegetables. Add fiber.
Varie your préparation.
Store your eggs properly. Cook them gently. These are small actions, but they change everything. Less bloating, more energy, better digestion, regulated cholesterol, renewed vitality. So ask yourself, which of these mistakes are you still making? Maybe it's the oil, maybe the routine. Choose one thing to change starting tomorrow morning. Add a handful of spinach. Change your cooking oil. Vary the textures and flavors. And maybe this small decision will inspire your partner, your neighbor, or a loved one to do the same. Because eggs are not just protein. They are a tool for health, a natural fuel for your body. So next time you crack an egg, remember these 5 tips. You're not just making an omelet, you're choosing how you want to age. Stay tuned, because in the next video we'll talk about another very common breakfast food. A food that millions of seniors eat every day without realizing it drains their energy and fuels inflammation. And most importantly, how to replace it wisely. In the meantime, keep eating eggs, but do it differently. Do it smartly.